Dr. Karen Morata Bacus, an obstetrician, a mother of an only child, Zacchaeus, who is my love of my life. I'm 49 years old. I think I'm one of the bravest, because when I heard I have cancer, I told my surgeon, "Will you remove all my breast right away?" And he said no, one at a time. And then I said, I want to admit myself and have the treatment right away. At first, no reaction, as if it was just a simple diagnosis, breast cancer. But I understand, maybe they were also shocked. And I said to my doctor, I want the surgery done. So I basically accepted everything, that I don't have my breast anymore. It doesn't matter to me, because all I want is I want to get healed. Invasive ductal carcinoma, stage 2A. The worst thing that I really felt was that anorexia thing, and that uncomfortable feeling on my stomach. I'm just eating for the sake that I have to eat, but the appetite was not there. And maybe I'm one of the luckiest. The vomiting was kinda minimal for my experience. I did not cry when my surgeon told me that I have breast cancer, but when I started losing my hair, that was the first time I was teary-eyed. Because I was so ready, because even before the chemo, I've already read what I'm gonna go through, so I'm not surprised I'm gonna be bald. I already started to have it cut short. I went to the barber and then really shave it off. That was the time that, you realize, diba, na I'm really a cancer patient going through the chemo side effects, but I'm willing to go through it all because I wanna win this fight. That's all I want. I want to get healed. I don't mind what the side effects. I know one day I will be healed. That's all I want. Alright? I want to survive through this. Not for myself, but for my little boy, who was only, like what, 6 years old at that time. I might not be able to make it. Then of course reality bites, the financial aspect of the treatment. But then God was so good when I surrendered everything. Just be obedient, surrender everything, everything will fall into place, which what really happened. Even if there were support, I always ask my uncle if after a week from the chemo, if my CBC result will come out okay, can I go back to the clinic and work? Because I want to earn. And that's what I did. That's why my friend said, "Karen, you're so strong, diba? You're a chemo, but you still go to work." Yes, because my staff will always ask me every day, "Are you good, Duki? Can you come back?" So a lot of people waiting for me. It wasn't easy because when I come back, I'm not really on my up and about, but God is so good to me. I always survive. I can finish all my responsibilities every day when I go back, but not easy, but I've always been positive. Now with God's strength, I can do this. My family and my faith to my God, who was so true to His promises, that just offer everything, let go, let God. I was just being obedient, and I keep it to my heart that God is my refuge and everything will be fine. A surprise to me, because my my brother had always been a drug dependent since maybe he was 12 years old. So he was my number one supporter at that time. That's why I'm nourished despite I was so anorexic. I don't know. This is what I've been saying, that my cancer is all worth it, because even if I had cancer, I gained a brother back. No, he's been sober now for 6 months. He's out from it without any rehab and everything. And then my husband, a fresh start on our relationship. It will be almost 2 years since we got back as couple, because when I was diagnosed with cancer, we were apart. I could say maybe I have done good to my colleagues, because my best friend really helped me a lot. She surprised me. They form a group called We Love Karen and ask for finances. She knows chemotherapy is really expensive. Help from previous nurses, the previous colleague doctors from out of the country, my classmates before in College of Medicine. Almost everyone helped. That's why I was able to survive through my cancer financially, which is one of God's miracle to me, that you just have to let go and He will do the rest. Actually, what really happened was, when I was having my chemo, my mom had a stroke. But still, I trusted God. I can survive through all this. And I did survive. It also taught me, when you get sick, it taught me more about humility and gratitude. From the start, I said I will follow all my doctors want me to do, because I don't want to say I should have done this, I should have done that. Then I was so obedient to my oncologist not to expose myself to a lot of people. That's why I don't go to the clinic when I'm on the week of my chemotherapy. Biggest key to my success, number one, is my faith to my God. Next is my being obedient, I can proudly say. And I think the last one is I just learned to forgive. Life is good, especially that, again, I want to emphasize that my brother is now sober. My husband is trying to be a good husband and a father to our son. Let go and let God and trust Him. He is always true to His promises, that He will take good care of everything.